Okay, I just did a tip a minute ago where I said this OLFA is a good way to get the paint out of windows. Now, then I just picked up this tool here that I got. Now that is a nice tool, and it works even better. As long as you got a sharp blade. Let's get that. It's not going to break. It's got edges, so there's little lines there you have to get on. You have to follow that line nicely. Follow that other line nicely. That worked really good. And it's not like sand. I'm still going to finish it off with some sandpaper. It makes a difference how the angle up and down you hold it. Somewhere in there is a sweet spot, depending on the job. And then I use this a lot of times with the heat gun. It makes the paint come right off. Now, see, a sharp razor blade on there is a lot stronger than soft wood. Remember, you've got the advantage. We had a beautiful hot day yesterday, the hottest day of the year, I thought, here in England. It's about 28 degrees centigrade, so I think less than 80, but boy, you could feel the heat so good yesterday. And I was so looking for it today, but today's been overcast and the sun's just kind of popping out now, but that's it for now. Lots of different ways to sand.